If exposure of body is modernism, then animals are more modern than humans. If he is terrorizing the terrorists, if he is terrorizing America the terrorist, I am with him. Every Muslim should be a terrorist. Al-Quran is not a book of science, SCNCE, but a book of signs, SIGNS. If a Muslim becomes a non-Muslim and propagates her new religion, then it is as good as treason. There is a death penalty in Islam for such a person. As far as the matters of religion are concerned, we know for sure that only Islam is the true religion in the eyes of God. In Quran it is mentioned that God will never accept any religion other than Islam. As far as the building of churches or temples is concerned, how can we allow this when their religion is wrong? And when worship is also wrong? Thus we will surely not allow such wrong things in our country. The pig is the most shameless animal on the face of the earth. It is the only animal that invites its friends to have sex with its mate. In America, most people consume pork. Many times after dance parties, they have swapping of wives. Many say, "You sleep with my wife and I will sleep with your wife." If you eat pigs, then you behave like pigs.